Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to change Kucoin email. Alright, so the first step is open up your Kucoin, make sure you set up your account, and with your account opened up, it's quite easy to change your email. But first, one thing you need to note is changing your email would mean any information concerning your account, such as deposits, withdrawals, P2P transactions, confirmations, and any other important information from Kucoin would be moved over to the new email. To do this or to perform this change, the icon at the top left, click on this icon. Where we have security, click on security, and where we have email, you'll find the option to unlink. We're not here to unlink our email, we're here to change. So simply click on the change option. As you can see here, it says to ensure security, withdrawals, P2P transactions, red packets would be temporarily disabled for 24 hours after changing or unbinding an email. Emails that have been unbound or changed in the past 30 days cannot be registered with new accounts. So if you click on confirm, all you need to do now is enter your email verification code, enter your SMS verification code, which is attached to your mobile number, and then simply click on send. So once you've entered this, you then be requested or required to provide the new email for your account. So guys, that's how you can easily change your email. Do comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.